So let me close it, close-ups. You can see this is Sa. This button is C, Sa. So exactly the two blacks before one. So in keyboard only this two pattern is there. Two blocks and three black blocks together. Only this. And rest of the things are below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whites and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blacks. Together 7 plus 5 equal to 12 keys are there. And rest the same pattern you will find here. So only 12 keys if we know properly, then any song we can able to play. So let us recognize the C clearly. Decide to the two blacks to the left side, whichever the white is there, that is C. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni and Sa. Now let us see the pattern. C, D or Sa, Re. In between Sa, Re, one key is there. This is formula. Wherever you will play, that is Sa, this is Re. One, you need to leave one. So this is the formula between Sa, Re. Sa and Re is divided by a simple key. If there is no division, then this is not Sa, Re. Sa, Re is this. Wherever it is, Sa, Re. It can be Sa, Re. And one middle key should be there, Sa, Re. So we got to know how to recognize the key. Sa, Re, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa can be played from anywhere inside the keyboard. Then what is the formula? If you need to play Sa, yes, any key you hit, then leave one key and hit the next. That is Re. Compulsory it is. Sa, Re. Here. So to recognize the Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, this is a like sketch or the skeleton you can able to follow. And the C button is having all the keys of Sa, Re, Ga, Ma in down only. That's why it is easy to recognize. We start with this key, or else you can start from anywhere. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa can be played. So why we start? Because all the Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa is below inside the C key. Sargam in the C key place all the Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa in the below. So now we got to know how to recognize Sa, Re in the whole keyboard. Anywhere you can play Sa, Re. Sa, Re. Why? One key has to be left. Then if it is Sa, then what will be the Re? One key leave and this is the Re. So this is the formula we got to know from this two buttons, Sa, Re, in between one. Like exactly the same way, Re, Ga, you need to leave one. So Sa, Re, Ga. This three recognition is easy. But here the things to remember. Whenever you play Ga, then Ma should be very close. No middle key is there in Ga and Ma. So this is the formula to get remember. Sa, Re, Ga. Whenever you are playing from going from one to the next, yes, one key should be there. But from Ga to Ma, there should not be any key. So this is only the things you need to learn in the whole keyboard. So Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, if we know, then Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa is same pattern. You can see Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, one gap, one key and continue. No key in between Ga, Ma, same. Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, no key in between. Only. So first we got to know 7 white are there, 5 blacks are there, and 5 blacks are of 2 different pattern, 2 set and 3 set. Whole keyboard is this 12 keys only. Rest of the things are repetition. Again, what you got to know? Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma. If we know, then Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa is the same pattern. And the third formula, in between Sa, Re, one key has to be there. Re, ga, one key is there. One key has to be there, but gamma, no key should be there. And this same pattern we can duplicate to Padhanisa also. So this is formula. So formula number 1, sa re, 1 gap. Formula number 2, re ga, 1 gap. Formula number 3, this is important, gamma, no gap. Only this much of only the things we need to remember. Rest of the things will follow automatic. So we'll put this formula here. Let us see. Sa re, 1 key left, re ga, 1 key left. Then gamma will be these two. Sa re gamma, sa re gamma. If you start here, sa re ga, 1 key left out, sa re, 1 key, re ga, 1 key, or gamma, then it will go in this way. Sa re gamma. Hope we have understood the things. We will see in the next session the higher options.